it's good. It's a nice layout, especially the second 9. They're pretty tight and looking dangerous. It's nice for players. You see also on the scores. The front 9ers scored pretty low and the second 9 are pretty average. And so I love this course. This course is really, really good.
Je suis revenu dans ma partie, je fais un birdie au 17 qui m'a permis de finir en 8 total. Ce qui est bien, ce qui est positif. Le pro, je suis content de cette performance. Ça me pousse à travailler encore plus et à progresser pour bien représenter le Maroc.
Oh, it's fantastic. It's been 3 years since my last win, so very happy that it happened. I had a chance in Casablanca a few weeks back and I didn't make it, so very happy that I pulled it off today.
I love Morocco. It's really good. If you compare it to Europe, it's the best. It's a really, really good golf destination. It is, absolutely.